Good afternoon, guys. Here from the Purple Pig out in Vryburg in the Northwest Province, close to the Northern Cape. I've been tasked to install one POS with a cash drawer and a receipt printer, as well as a kitchen printer. And this is the Purple Pig, guys. I'm going to take you through on a walkthrough of the setup. As you can see right there, the old terminal is waiting to be put away. They are currently running live here in the restaurant with Digitot. The gentleman over there seated is Mr. Hendrik van Deventer. He is the owner of the business. And this is our POS system, guys. And right around the corner here is our kitchen printer. They have a whole bunch of items around here that use one plug point, but they are aware that the kitchen printer does not get removed from power. And this is the kitchen environment. And just step out onto the patio and the faux grass area, the play area for the kids. A nice neat little joint here in Vryburg in the Northwest. A place that one would want to come check out. Proudly powered by Digitot. Thank you, guys. Bye.